Welcome all. This is Shiv Subramanian going to explain about the scheme of fundamental duties and its legal status. First, we're going to see about its position in India. The Parliament has the power to amend any act. 44th Amendment Act of 1978 abolished the right to poverty. No obligation on the part of state to pay the compensation when the state is in emergency. Presidential rule is imposed instead of emergency. Non-fulfillment of fundamental duties, fundamental rights. These are six fundamental rights, basic fundamental rights we already know: right to speech, right to equality, cultural and educational rights, rights against exploitation, right to constitutional remedies, freedom of religion. We are already familiar about this, and we see about criticism and analysis. Minimum Wages Act of 1948 empowers government to fix minimum wages for both men and women, so that women can give so that the employer can give a correct amount of wage. And the Consumer Protection Act of 1986 provides for the protection for the consumer. We can file a case if you receive any if you face any problems on the products. Equal Remuneration Act of 1975 provides for equal pay for equal work. That is, everyone must get the salary for the work which they have done. Sampurna Green Rojana Yojana providing employment for rural poor. Muslim women who has been divorced are entitled to receive alimony from her husband under Indian law applicable for all Indian women. Alimony is nothing but they can get some financial support from their ex-husbands. The relationship between fundamental rights, directive principles, and fundamental rights. The directive principle has been used to uphold the constitutional validity of the legislation in the case of conflict with the fundamental rights. Article 31C added the 25th Fundamental Act in 1971 provided that any law made to give effect to directive principle in Article 39B C, which would not be invalid on the grounds that they derogated from the fundamental rights confined by Articles 14, 19, and 21. And thank you. This